Hi there, welcome back to Outlaw Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Whautomate, which is basically a platform that allows you to answer customer queries more efficiently, especially on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and many text-based messaging apps, basically. And you can also personalize your responses based on your needs and preferences. So straight away, we can see that if you hop on the website, they are well, basically they are sending you a limited time offer where you can enjoy 50% off for your first 3 months, and then they invite you to view the pricing and plans. Okay, so this is really good to, I guess, capitalize on um, any customer that any prospect that might have been looking for this software and was ready to buy, and they might be therefore encouraged to actually make a purchasing decision due to the discount and because of the urgency. I guess one comment that I may have is that once you hover on this button, the actual text changes to blue, which is not very accessible, unfortunately. Obviously, I can see it, but there's not enough contrast between the two colors, red and blue, and therefore it might not pass all of the accessibility rules according to the WA standards. Okay, so just to see what they offer, you can go and check the pricing and the plans that they show. And as you can see, it is really transparent, as they say. Okay, that pop-up comes up every page, but yeah, as they said, you can enjoy 50% off if you wanted to, and the pricing is very clear and it shows all the features underneath each tier very clearly, which is good. And you can go and basically work out what your rate would be like for your specific situation. Okay. The good thing that they've got here as well is that they've got some frequently asked questions. These are very important to handle any objection that your prospect might have before making a purchase decision. But what they do really nicely as well here is that they've got some really good testimonials where people are clearly encouraging the use of this software. For example, these persons just said that Automate has helped them reduce man hours with its automatic reminders after booking of appointments. Okay, so this is really good for any prospect that might have been looking for software like this. Now, if we go back to the home page just to analyze it a little bit more, and if we scroll down, we can see here after the headline, which is, by the way, it's quite clear and it clearly states what they do. You can see an instant element of credibility in terms of all the brands that they've worked with. You can scroll down to check more clearly. Also, here they talk again about all the services and solutions that they offer. For example, for customer service, as we said before, you can manage your customer inquiries, but also it might help you with sales in terms of automated responses and running personalized marketing campaigns. And they offer a lot more solutions as well that you might be interested in. And they run on a few and a lot of platforms for based on a lot of platforms used for messaging like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Telegram, live chat, and so on and so forth. Right. So, and then they go more in depth about all the different solutions and features that this product has. Okay. They've also got a really nice video that you can go and watch if you wanted more clarity on how it works. And here again, we can see the same testimonials from the pricing page, which again are really good for credibility. The beautiful thing is that they've also got some really nice integrations that you can use for many other, um, you know, you can integrate your favorite tools that you use outside of the software if you wanted to consider using it. And they've also written some articles. But other than that, this is the end of the homepage. Again, here they might have considered adding a more general frequently asked questions section. And but other than that, I think this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.